We live in a bright, thriving community, and at BPU, we're committed to keeping it that way. However, some outages are unavoidable due to a major storm, snow, ice, high winds, lightning, and sometimes animals. When they occur, we're immediately on the move, working to restore power as soon as possible. Our first step during an outage is to see what caused the problem. We examine power supply, transmission lines, and substations and make repairs so that we can get power flowing to our customers. Next, we get electricity running to public safety facilities, police stations, 911 call centers, fire departments, and hospitals. Once they're back up and running, we can repair the distribution lines that carry power to the most populated neighborhoods. Finally, once power is restored to most neighborhoods and businesses, we reconnect individual customers that are still experiencing outages. This can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive step, but the BPU team works hard to get things resolved as quickly as possible. If a neighbor has power and you don't, there may be other issues present. You may be fed from a different circuit than your neighbor, your service line may be damaged, or it may be as simple as a tripped breaker. Call BPU and we'll send someone as soon as we can to help resolve the issue. The most important thing to remember during an outage is safety. Be aware of downed power lines. To further protect yourself, you may want to install adequate surge protection to safeguard electronics and appliances. Remember, if your power goes out, please report it to BPU by calling 913-573-9522. Together, we can keep Kansas City, Kansas safe and build the power of community.